In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive files from Microsoft Teams. 5 minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where your OneDrive lives inside Teams and how to reach your files quickly without leaving the app. All you need is an active Microsoft account and access to Teams in your organization or personal setup. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the same account that's connected to your Teams work or school environment, or your personal Microsoft account if you use the free version. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're on the right one to avoid opening an empty file list later. Once you're signed in, look for the apps launcher, sometimes called the app grid, or waffle icon. It's the small grid of dots in the upper corner of the Microsoft portal that opens a panel of apps. This is your quick jump menu to Microsoft services without typing links or navigating multiple pages. From the launcher, choose Teams. Selecting Teams from here opens the web app or prompts the desktop app if you have it installed. Either version works for what we're doing today. Give it a moment to load your chats, teams, and channels. Inside Teams, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a OneDrive icon among the core apps. This icon is your gateway to everything stored in your OneDrive, plus files shared with you that show up through Teams. If your layout looks a little different, it may be tucked under the More Apps menu depending on your organization's settings. Click OneDrive. You'll land on a clean file view with sections like Recent, My Files, and Shared. Recent helps you hop back into documents you opened lately. My Files shows your personal OneDrive folders and documents. Shared lists items others have shared with you, including files surfaced through Teams chats and channels. Use the search bar at the top to find a file by name when you're in a hurry. From here, you can access your Teams files right alongside your OneDrive content. Open a document to preview it, or choose to open it in Teams or in the corresponding Office app. You can sort by name, modified date, or owner to quickly organize the view. If something doesn't appear, confirm you're in the correct account and that you have permission to view the file. If the OneDrive icon is missing entirely, your admin may have restricted it, so a quick check with your IT team can help. That's all you need to access OneDrive files from Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching.